Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel your Super Duolingo subscription. So without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so first open the App Store where you originally subscribed to Super Duolingo. That would be Apple App Store. And if you are using an Android, head over to the Google Play Store. Alright, once you're in the App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Payment and Subscription. Then tap on Subscription. So here you will see all the list of your active subscription. So just find the Super Duolingo in the list and click on it. You will see an option to cancel your subscription. Tap Cancel your subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. Keep in mind that if you cancel, you will still have the access to Super Duolingo features until the end of your current billing cycle, but you won't be charged for the next period, and that sounds good. And that's it. Your subscription is now canceled. I hope this video helps you to manage your subscription. Thanks for watching and good luck.